Yo! Little bit of an earlier stream, finally. I was gonna stream at like 1:30, maybe like 1:20, but you know, you know how it be, dog. Okay, you already know how it be, dog. Okay, here's my goal today. That was the wrong document. That was my YouTube Shorts document that I totally am still using. I really should be. Like, I make a couple notes here and there, but I don't give no fucks anymore. You know what I mean? I just don't give no fuck no more, right? Anyway, so today plan is to fix what we were fixing last time. So we got to fix the assert error that was happening, and then we got to get the client side to server side items to update on the inside of crafters and stuff. We do that, and then for real this time, okay? The game should be networked, okay? Like fully, actually, really working network. So thank you, Stream Manager, piece of shit. All right. Dude, I gotta get a new mouse. My mouse is like falling apart, dude. This mouse is so old. I actually I can't believe it's lasted this long. Most of the time, like I have a Death Adder. It's a Razer Death Adder. Most of the time, I feel like these things, they like die after like 2 years. Which I don't know what that says about the product quality, but you know, I do use it like, you know, probably more than the average user. Before 1 minute, gang. Wow, I can't believe Red is so late. Not even before 1 second, gang. Fucking, I guess we should just kill him. Okay, so let's run the game. What the fuck's going on again? Figure out what's happening. I'm pretty sure that every time I send a thingy over on the thing to the guy, so if I put this down and then I set it to conveyor, and then I put this in. Oh yeah, okay. Right. Oh Jesus, dude. Okay. So it's failing in tick world state, right? Tick world state. What line? 262. Okay. Yeah, this debug assert is failing. Because so I guess the reason why is because it did it twice, right? It's for whatever reason, whenever I put an item in, it does it twice. Like, see, there's, well, so the whole reason why this isn't working is because there's supposed to only be 5 at max in here. So, yeah, it's passing in twice, and we gotta figure out why. So I'm pretty sure it's because I do have 2 RPC calls in here, right? Or not RPC calls, the 2 update world states. So it's probably that, but I need to figure out why that's happening, right? Also, I've brought my poker. These away. Put these over there. Okie doke. So from inventory, if the storage is a tile, then we update or we send world state update items with the, so this is the items going into it, right? So this is the items on cursor, and this is already after we've clicked. So yeah, okay, so it's sending over the items, and then down here, if not is hotbar, which is always true, I am also doing the same thing. Okay, wait, why is this even here? Okay, I guess this should just, well, I don't, it's 0 minus, so realistically speaking, this would actually do nothing, right? Let's just remove this for now, okay, and run it again. And see if that at least gets it to where it's supposed to be, right? Where it puts the 3 in, and then it's just 3, and it's chill. Put this down, make it a conveyor, put 3 in. It's still 6? Okay, that's weird. So I guess we gotta do a, what do you call here then? Oh wait, I know what's happening. I fucking know what's happening, dude. I'm fucking... Wait, no, I don't know what's happening. Never mind. I was gonna say what's happening is I'm just not clearing it, like the data, but that's definitely not true. Okay, fine. Fine. We'll debug it. Ooh. I gotta do work? Ugh. Alright, so we pause in here. And this should only now trigger whenever there's an item being put down, so. Okie doke. So put crafter down. Make it a conveyor belt. It's a conveyor belt here too. Yeah, okay. So then if I put now 3 things in. Alright. So items updated is -6, -1, 3, 3, which is exactly correct. Yeah, okay. So then we're going through. Item value. And this is a dictionary of dictionaries, right? Yes, okay. Yeah, we're for eaching through the second one. Yeah, okay, okay. We insert the item, and it's done. And it's done. Okay, so now I... Okay, so state... The only thing is items updated. Oh, okay, no, wait, yeah, I am just stupid. Yeah. I'm just not resetting it on the server, that's right. Because the server world state is, this needs to reset itself. I forgot. I'm just fucking dumb. Yeah, okay, in here. Crafters, updated, clear. Items, updated, clear. There we go. Yeah, I'm just bad. Okay, good to know. Okay. Alright, this time for real. So we're place down the conveyor, the crafter, make it a conveyor. It works. Put it in. Beautiful. Okay. I can't remove the items, but that's chill. Okay, yeah, alright. Well, it's multiplayer day for as long as it takes to fix the problems, okay? If we fix the problems, then maybe we'll move on to gameplay and, like, implement something, but we gotta fix this first. And also, if I add a feature, like, you know, and, like, the entities are currently, they don't work, right? So, gotta fix that too. So yeah, okay. Yeah, so I don't also, okay, so I don't have removing done, right? So, back to game UI. But this is now, so I don't, this is actually wrong. This just shouldn't even be here, right? Now that I think about it. So we've got from inventory and to inventory, right? But we don't have a from inventory to inventory. But I think I'm just gonna not let that happen. I think it's fine if we just, you know, we try to not have that be a thing that can happen. Inventory to inventory transfer, because you'd have to open 2 UIs. So like it already probably doesn't work, right? So like, I think we just call it a day, yeah. We just call it fine and chill. I gotta ruin my restream watermark, by the way. Okay. There you go. Found some projects related to converting Godot's C++ structure to Rust. Like the internal workings, because I know that you can use Rust in Godot. That's what Pip's doing, but I don't know what the purpose is, like, or like why to switch to Rust other than the fact that it's safer. But like, look, I mean, I love being unsafe, man. I love making an unprotected pointer, dog, and just bursting and busting into my code, dog. You know what I'm saying, dude? It makes me feel so good. Entire project, yeah. So like all of Godot is what you're saying, right? But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna ignore it, okay? That's the plan, all right? We're just gonna pretend like this can't happen, okay? And it's gonna be chill, okay? If it does happen, and I mean, okay, actually, what's more likely to happen is that somehow someone's gonna open 2 UIs at once and it's gonna break the game. But then we just have to fix the UI bug, okay? I don't think it should ever be possible to transfer from inventory to inventory. Like, that would just be, it would be weird. Like in Minecraft, you can't open a chest and another chest at the same time without, like, bugging the game, right? So, I think it's fine. I mean, is there a reason for that? Like, it's like free. Like, I mean, I don't know who works on Godot, to be fair, like, to be honest. I have no idea how Godot, like, has money and functions, other than there's, like, maybe a guy. But, yeah, I don't know, dude. Okay, so to inventory means that we're taking it. So this now will be 0 minus, okay? I think that should be it, actually, to move this stuff out. Oh, wait, no. I did it wrong. Hold on. No. Cancel. This needs to be if tile or item on cursor dot item slot dot storage is tile under tile. Then pass in tile vec item on cursor item slot ID 0 minus item count. Yes. Okay. Good. Beautiful. That was FOSS. Someone said FOSS before. I don't remember what it means though. I have no fucking clue. First open source suck. Okay, so if I put... Actually, this does not update, right? Oh, it does! It works? Ah, okay. Well... well, I guess this negative shit did not work, huh? But why, though? Hold on, let me look at Tick World State again. Tick World State. If value is greater than 0, then insert item, else remove item. Realistically speaking, I probably shouldn't have an insert and a remove. Or they should, like, call the same... Like, there should be a function in here called, like, you know, just, like, update item count. I mean, it's not like I couldn't do that, I guess. But yeah, so it only died once at least though, which is good because that's how it's supposed to be. So yeah, it inserted over the amount it's supposed to be able to. So if I do this now, it should be okay. It's still 3. Now it's 9. Okay. Yeah, all right. What the fuck is going on here, bro? Maybe 0 minus is if I just do minus. I guess I'll just, okay, let's just make sure that this is getting called, I guess. I mean, I feel like it has to be, but I don't know why it's not working. Put this down, make it a conveyor, put it in. Okay, that's fine. Take it out. Yeah, okay, it does get called. Step in just to make sure count is -3. Yeah, okay. So we're adding in a vector and a new concurrent dictionary. Then we're adding in the 3. Oh, right. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, and then I plus equal -3. And that doesn't work, you're telling me? E is -691. If value is 3, -3. And you're telling me that doesn't work? Wait, what the what? That's... What? But, like, how? Am I, like, passing it in wrong or something? Hold on. Where is... Send frame world data. Yeah, okay. And is dirty. Checks items updated count. Yeah, okay. Hello, Pajim. Balatro looks fine. Have you not played Balatro yet? So that's crazy. I don't know why it doesn't work, but I guess we'll figure that out now. You also haven't played Hereta? That's crazy. It's so good, dude. I think Balatro is like... I mean, I just think that it really boils the want and need to make a number go up, like perfectly. Like as a game that's just about making numbers go up, it does it in the way that it crafts the way that you make your numbers go up. It's just beautiful. It's picturesque even. Okay, so I guess we need to pause in Tick World State. And pause in items updated, because yeah, I have no fucking clue what the shit is going on here. theming around cards was a bit overwhelming to me since I've always sucked at poker and card games. I mean, you could suck at card games and still, like, you know, have it work. Like, I mean, again, personally speaking, I think that American card games, I don't know if, I mean, I'm sure there's other places. I mean, I don't even know if poker was invented in America. Was poker invented in America? Where was poker invented? Oh, it was in America. Okay. That's crazy. That's crazy that poker has only been around for 200 years, or maybe 300. Late 18th, a little bit, like 250, something like that. I don't know, that's crazy. But like, well, there's a game called Poke. It's called Because. Whatever, dude. I personally think that most American games with like cards, it makes way more sense than like Japan. Okay, like Asian card games, like Hanafuda, and like I mean, not even like, I guess that's not a card technically, but fucking, what's it called? Mahjong. Those games, rather than like rare stuff, right? Like a straight flush, obviously rare. Like even if you don't know the odds and you barely know, if you dealt 5 cards out and they were in ascending order with the same suit, you'd be like, that's fucking crazy, right? Like always, no matter what. Fucking Hanafuda, it's like, oh, I got the 2 berries and the deer, and then the deer eats the berries in April, and I get 50,000 points. And I'm like, dude, how the fuck am I supposed to remember this shit, dude? Okay, repause here, and then, or no, unpause. We're gonna put the items in. It updates on this side, which is nuts. Then we're gonna pause, and then we're going to take them out. Okay. So, entity, it should be, it's a thing, yeah. And then we're looking into, yeah, -3. Item.value, less than 0. Can remove item, remove item. Fuck, dude, it's cause, right. It's 0 minus count, because it's remove item. Okay. Fucking stupid. Stupid, dude. Popular MMOs got arrested again? For what? I haven't kept, look, I don't know fucking anything about Popular MMOs drama. Ever since he got divorced. And even then, like, I didn't really watch Popular MMOs as a kid. Just because I think when I was a kid, I thought it was weird that he had his wife on his channel. And I was just like, I don't want to watch this guy with his wife on his channel. Like, I don't know. I think I'm pretty confident that's like the main reason why. Also, because like I thought his name was dumb. Like that'd be like me be called like Popular RPGs, and then I play fucking Minecraft and Flife all day. Like, dude, okay. Discord poker, something's wrong. I don't know when this happened, but okay, I did an activity with Alex for like 2 seconds the other day. Fucking Earth Poker is DMing me now. What? Like, I know I signed away my rights when I clicked accept the whatever shit, but come the fuck on, man. Why are you DMing me? And Crunker.io is also DMing me? What? Bullshit, dude. It's fucking, they've taken it too far, man. Okay, I guess we'll pass in the negative item value, and that'll do the same. And now for sure it'll work. Like, I think it's actually good that online poker is banned, okay, in California. I think it's banned in almost every state. It's like New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and like a couple others. Because if it wasn't, I'd be grinding 25 cent, 50 cent all day long, dude. It's all I do, and I would just slowly bleed my money away to the fucking people who actually studied poker instead of me, who just, I'm vibe checking and raising, dude. I mean, I think it's good in general that like gambling is illegal near me. Like, you know, I have to go to Las. I mean, that's not true. I could go to like a casino near here. Like this fucking, there's a casino that I see in my YouTube shorts occasionally. Fucking Lucky Lady Casino. It's like 30 minutes from here. Every chip has a naked lady on it, which is cool. But like, I don't know. Actually, do they have? Hold on. Do they have slot machines and stuff, or is it just? Also, actually, it might even be on a reservation, because that's how most of the casinos in California are. Most of the casinos in California are on a reservation, and that's how you like they get around it. You can just play at a reservation. So they have poker tables. They do have slot machines. Wasn't it illegal? Is gambling illegal in California? It's complicated. So yeah, tribal casinos are cool. You can play poker. Yeah. There's a lottery. But there's no blackjack tables? What about... Okay, whatever. I don't care enough. Look, I'm not supposed to be gambling anyways. Okay, gambling is bad. I mean, get it twisted. Go gamble. You're one away from the diamonds, but... Okay, click. Cool, fuck. Click. Click. Okay. Click. Click. What? But it's negative! Oh, I'm fucking dumb as shit! Just stupid. Why would it be? Because it's like, I mean, okay, to be fair, okay, slot machines, in my opinion, are like, I think they should be kind of illegal, okay? Like, I think slot machines are so predatory, and, like, it's just like, I mean, like, yes, do I agree that a dumbass with $3,000 is illegal for him to have it and I should have it, right? Maybe. But, I still think that, like, I don't know, dude. I feel like at a certain point, you gotta look out for the dumbass, you know? like we got crossing signals and lights to drive, you know? Like, technically, everyone should just drive well, but we gotta look out for the guy who doesn't understand how to do multiplication, you know? And I feel like at a certain point, we need to do the same with that, right? Like, it's illegal to like false advertising, right? Like, if you say this will guarantee you, if you buy our product, you will guaranteed lose 100 pounds, and then you buy it and you don't. That's illegal. You can't do that, right? Now, again, the slot machines don't entirely say that, but they kind of do. If I made a one-off hitting diamonds joke, then the person lost their house gambling, am I responsible? Definitely no. They were already gonna go do that. If you're convinced to go gamble because some guy made one joke, you were fucked from the beginning, okay? Bitcoin and stocks are a lot better for gambling than casinos. Arguably, probably not. Like, okay, do I agree that I think that buying spy calls is probably better than gambling like on like roulette or whatever. Well, even is it really? They're basically, I mean, it's slightly better, but not that much better. Like, it's very slightly better. I think it's more you can make an informed decision. Like the difference between gambling at a casino and the stock market is that the stock market doesn't kick you out when you have knowledge, you know, unless you're insider trading and you're not a senator. Then they kill you. Okay. Also, hello, Sent. I honestly I just looking at the capital C and I thought you were Celigen. Okay, anyways, so it died. The assert failed again. Even though I put negative in front of it, which is fucking swag, dude. But why, though? Okay, hold on. Move item. Count is 3. I update item count to -3. Then I return remove item. Yeah, okay. But yeah, basically all I'm trying to like casinos. If you like, okay, if you like count cards, or you're like a slot vulture, or you know whatever slightly winning strategies there are, that will also like they'll just kick you out, you know, like they don't let you play the slot. Like the stock market, if you are smart about it, they don't kick you out. So that's the only reason why it's arguable that the slot or the stock market is better for gambling than a casino. But even then, it's not really, dude. It's not really, dude. You know what I mean? Like if you're going for a true degen gamble where it's basically a 50-50, it's the same. Yeah, so the reason why is because my update item values, remove 3 items means remove 3 items, right? So that like the reason why it was incrementing is because I had -3 and it was removing -3 items, which then puts in 6 items, right? Now I don't know why it didn't. Oh, it did remove it. Wait, what? Oh, am I just dumb? Does Tilecrafter remove item? No, it does. Oh wait, input or insert item. Well, okay, so what's weird is that this crafter output UI, I call update item count here, but I don't call that anywhere else, which is strange. That's like bizarre. Where is my start crafting? In here, okay. Tile.update item count 0 minus material.value. Okay. Let's control F for this really quickly. After output UI, output UI, output UI. That's the only place I don't know how it actually goes up, but whatever. Whatever, dude. Might as well just bet a rich guy in a coin flip at that point. I mean, I don't know how many rich guys would really take that. Like, unless you're friends with them and you're willing to run it back like 10 times so that you guys actually just equalize. You know what I mean? I mean, I'm sure if you went to a casino and you just walked up to a guy playing like $1,000 slot pulls and said, yo dog, side bet, you're gonna hit this one next one, $100. He'll probably say yeah, because he doesn't give a fuck. Actually, that would be a great way to make degenerate gambling friends. You just walk up to guys who already have an addiction and prey on their addiction even more. But you don't gain anything. You're just, you know, if you just want to be friends with them. I'm sure at least one of them would be open to it, you know? This is like the same advice that pickup artists give to like 20-year-olds, by the way. Okay, I don't know why the assert happens. Let's look at it again. So like, when I put the 3 in, see, that's weird. I don't know why it goes up. I actually have no clue. I have genuinely no clue why it goes up. I don't know. So it's calling this output can remove item and it fails. Input can remove item and it works. But then can remove item. Where's this one? Oh. Oh wait, no. Oh, this one's okay. Output. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's just dumb. Okay, so I need to do output or input that can remove. Oh, but I can't. Okay, right. Okay, so the problem is that okay, the problem is that the UI is evil. Okay, that's the issue. The UI, or I mean, inserters call can remove item to see if they can remove the item, and obviously, you don't want the inserter to just remove the input. Well, I mean, I guess I think that I actually already solved this with the filters. So maybe, okay, let's just try this. Or output.can or input can remove item ID count. Okay, let's just try this and see if that is chill. I don't know, but maybe. Think about how many like CPU cycles I've wasted just pressing host, client, clicking on this thing, placing the crafter down. I've done this like 1,000 times at this point, it feels like. Okay, put the item in. 3, take the item out. Okay, so it didn't update, but it's no longer there. Yeah, okay, so I just need to fix that. Because, yeah, it's not actually in there. Okay, I don't know why. I have no clue why it works when I put the item in. That... It actually doesn't make any sense to me, if I'm being honest with you. I have no clue. I don't know how it works. Yeah, I don't... That's magic. Okay, hold on. In tile crafter, insert item. Yeah, all I call is input.insert item. And this doesn't update the tile or the storage either, right? Fuck. Just start crafting? Oh, because start crafting tries to... Oh, okay. That makes sense. Okay, yeah. So here, we can just do this. If... using UI is this. Don't. What the fuck? Okay. Because by wasting CPU cycle, you have Chrome, Spotify, Steam, 2 Discordopias, and VS Code open. Okay, you know what? That is fair. I might have to give you that one. Okay, think about the man power I've put into clicking my keys down. Instead of having it auto load and auto do it for me, you know? Think about that, okay? My poor fingies. Oh, I'm gonna get RSI and carpal tunnel, guys, because I have to click the crafter. Okay, so now I just have to... Okay, hold on. So I have input, crafter... What? How do I even access this shit? I do it like this? This is awful. Okay, so I guess I just have to do this. After input UI.getChildren. Right. Bar children equals crafter input UI get children. And the update item count, is this the set or the plus? This is the plus. Okay, good. And then I guess I just need to update the same thing on remove item. And then same thing here. Oh, but I don't have access to the ID. I guess actually what I have to do here is I have to do tile.value or tile.item count is greater than 0. Just add and remove the item because that's the same way this works. You know what? I think it's fine actually, because this one shouldn't be touched by the UI. I mean, I know I have a UI call here also, but I think it's... We'll just run it. Okay, let's see what happens. I think there's a lot of other things that give me RSI. Like there was a time in my life. I mean, even still to this day. I just think that like half of the things that I enjoy doing in life are just RSI builders. Like I used to play a lot of fighting games and rhythm games. Like I used to play a lot of Osu. That's like RSI, the video game, you know? And then I used to play, the fighting game I played was Super Smash Bros. Melee, which is like you know, also the RSI, like if there is a fighting game that builds RSA, it's that one. Okay, I mean, rip my boy Hacks money, but that guy had to get hand surgery like 4 times just from playing the game. So, you know, and then like I played Tetris, which is also an RSI builder. I program, which is typing, which is also an RSI builder. Like I play like shitty idle games where you have to click your mouse 1,000 times. It's like it's all I do. Okay, so click this, put it in, take it out. Beautiful, amazing, wonderful. Okay, so I do this, and then beautiful, amazing, wonderful. Oh, and it like actually works. Okay. 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 Yeah, rip my boy, dude. I don't know if you were in the Melee community scent, but like I was subscribed to Hacks when he dropped his Leffen manifesto. Okay, and I watch the whole thing? No, but I did. I was one of like probably first 10,000 views on that video, dude. Yeah, so the client is not working. So so look, we got one goal done, okay? Goals today, this one is fixed. Now we got to do this one. I mean, yeah, it's blown up into a big thing, which I think is good and bad. I think there's a lot of people who really don't give a shit that are just trying to drama farm it. I know a lot of people like I watched the fucking there was like a day of my life where I was just like I was consumed by watching everything unfold, dude. Okay, and I watched all the drama tubers takes on it. Like I watched the Technicals video. I watched the the other guy, I forget his name's video. I think a lot of people really dislike Technicals, and I don't disagree that he's kind of a piece of shit. And I don't think he always argues in good faith, but like I don't know. I don't think that you're like actually paying attention. You can like say that he wasn't at least attempting to help more than most people. Like I honestly wish that there was just somebody in the community who would make videos and wasn't kind of a piece of shit. You know what I'm saying? Like like the problem is that there's only one guy who's doing it, and that one guy happens to have a terrible following. There's like 4 or 5 guys, but they all have kind of the same following, and it's like just a terrible following. So I don't know, man. I have no stake in this, because as much as I play the game, I'm not in like I don't fucking know anyone in the community. I just play the game, you know. It's a cool game. But yeah, I mean, honestly, like Melee's been dying. I mean, Smash in general has been dying already. So like, I don't know. It's not like this is like fucking nailing the coffin or anything. Melee can be like just in general, like the popularity for it has been going down quite a bit since all the big tournaments kind of shut down. So like, you know. Yeah, Awesome Sauce is my goat, dude. I've watched like that guy. I've watched. He's probably the most like, I mean, really the only like, I guess like Melee like content creator I watch. But he's not even really like a Melee content. He could do anything and like fucking make banger videos. You know what I mean? Like I kind of if Awesome Sauce made Minecraft videos instead of Melee videos, that guy would have 20 million subscribers. You know what I mean? He's so talented and creative and good. Like he would have fucking 20 trillion subscribers. But unfortunately, his niche of choice was a dying fighting game from 2001. So. Okay, so in-game UI, we gotta go look at this dog shit function again. Ugh. So. If we're not the server, all we have to do is send over the RPC call to the server to try to remove the things. At least for now. Again, in the future, maybe I'll do some fucky stuff, but, you know. Yeah, there's another guy, I think his name is Fraser, but he goes by Melee Moments. Yeah, this guy's videos, also really, like, phenomenally, like, amazing, okay? But unfortunately, he's a Melee content creator instead of a Minecraft content creator, or, like, a game that's not dying content creator. So, he's gonna go nowhere, okay? Like, I've watched all the videos. I think they're fucking phenomenal, but unfortunately, he's just in the wrong game, dog. Okay, so I think in here, game client, yeah, server request add items, server request remove items. I do have the two, which is cool. Although I guess I only need one. I only need one. I don't need two. I just need to have a server request, like update items. And then, oh, but I guess well, no, I could just do this though, yeah. If count is greater than 0, then check this shit. Else if count less than 0. Oh, wait, whoa. Okay, hold on. This goes in here. Oh, wait, no. Wait. Okay, you know what I need to do, actually? Let's just do this. Public void update item ID count. Or I guess I should call it delta. I am gonna have to go and implement this in every single function now, which is kind of suck, but So any personalities that I like on YouTube that just don't play games I care about? I feel like I don't even know that they exist because I just would never click their video. You know what I mean? Alright, audio sent. Hope you feel better. Okay, you know what? But what if instead of doing that, I just like didn't do that and I just it just made the function. I'm too lazy to go fucking do that shit. You know what I mean? Insert the item, and then else if count less than 0. Don't put it. Why? Stop trying to assume my shit, Visual Studio. And remove item ID count. Oh yeah, Ben Woodward. Thanks for the sub, dude. Look at that. I think it's been. I feel like it's been so long since I had a public sub on YouTube. Remove it with the count. Also, I just realized I don't. This is bad. It just needs to be with a count. And then this now needs to be. Oh wait, hold on. So server request update items. If I remove like -3, so if I move the items out, then I want this to actually be negative count, and then we plus equals down here. That's how this wants to work. And I guess I'll just put this in here. I guess this is fine. Yeah, okay, sure. So then now in game UI okay, actually let's make sure this works first, because I actually don't know. If I call online RPC or server RPC and then I call with game client.instance, then game client method name server request send or update items, and then I pass in it's a vector, the ID, and the count. Let's just pass in like I guess okay, fine. So it's the same functional down here. So if this is to inventory, fucking Christ, man. Okay. Oh, and I guess I gotta do the same. To inventory, then it's gonna be tile.vec item on. Actually, I guess I'll just copy paste this whole thing here. Long ass function call, kind of disgusting looking, but. And then I guess just this same else call here. And then it's, but instead of that, it's this. And the only difference is that it's, oh no, it's not. Okay, the top one is negative, the bottom one is positive. Alright, let's fucking try. I just want to make sure that this works at all, okay? Because there's a chance that this game client autoload thing that Sergey was trying to get me to do for a long time just doesn't work the way that I want it to. But I think it should, actually. So, basically, chat was right. As fucking always, who would have guessed? Okay, so on the client, put it in. Okay, debugger. Did it work? Did it not work? Given key was not present in the dictionary. What? Server request. Okay, hold on. This is me clicking on my inventory with an item on my cursor from a storage item slot. I send it to the server with the tile that I am. Then... Well, okay, what's weird is that it worked on the server. That's bizarre. I guess, hold on. In-game client, so server request update items. This got sent. And then on the server side, it updated the current world state with the vector that it passed in itself. What? What are you... What? It's literally... What? Okay, hold on. Let me maybe try the other way around. Okay, here. So put 9 in and try to remove it. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? It's the same error. That's cool. That physically makes no fucking sense. It's the same one! Well, how is it failing? Wait, what are you fucking talking about? Okay. This is a real head scratcher here now, isn't it, dog? Item slot dot storage is tile entity. Okay, no, so this is two. Okay, this is the inventory item I'm clicking on. Storage is a tile, and I'm passing in tile.vec, which is okay. Okay. Maybe. Where is it failing again? It's failing in here. Okay, hold on. Maybe this is the server receiving it and failing. Oh, yeah. Okay, no, I'm just dumb. Right, okay. Hey, look, I figured it out. Yeah, okay. I just have to do the same shit I do in... Wait, oh, no, I'm not calling my function. Need to call the function, brother. Okay, back. ID negative count. There we go. Oh wait, not negative count. No. Positive count. And then also positive count. Because yeah, it's negative and it's positive and negative. It's fine. Oh wait. Negative count. Wait. Plus equals count. Okay. Yeah, this is positive count. Okay, these are negative because I'm trying to remove the item, and I actually have to remove the positive. I need to remove the absolute value of the item. Those are positive. Yes. Okay. 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 Fixed. I fixed her. Okay. This time, surely it'll work. Post client. Put this down. Conveyor. Okay. And I put this in. Okay. So the inventory stuff doesn't work yet, but the other stuff does, which is good. So. At least it's and it works both ways. Okay, perfect. Yes. Okay, and I can take this out here and it moves there. Okay. So yeah, it's a little delayed, which I'm not a huge fan of, and I'll probably fix that later with some client-side magic. But yeah, for now, that's how it's just gotta be. So. Okay, so now we need to have it so that the client, when it receives that, what do you call the world state? Okay, so when it receives the world state, the items have to go into my inventory, and I have to know which player it came from, which is really annoying. Like, I wish I didn't have to do that, I guess. Because I mean, the easiest way for me to solve this problem is I add another fucking dictionary, right? I add another one of these. But instead of vector, it is the player sender ID. And then I just check if my sender ID is whatever it is. And then if it is, I then call the inventory stuff. But I'm not honestly a giant fan of that. I mean, I guess it's like nothing. But is there a, like, basically what I'm trying to figure out, is there a smarter way of getting this data? From the givens that we have, is there a way I can figure that out? Because what I could do is I could store, like, okay, if I wanted to do it like a really interesting way, I mean, it would work. So what I could do is I could store a dictionary of things that have happened or haven't happened on the client, right? So every time I do one of these RPC calls as the client, right? I could store that somewhere in like some global, right? I guess I could put it in game client here. And then if the game client, so whenever I receive and I take the world state over, I just check this item's updated, and every time I just check to see if there's one that I did, right? So if I recently tried to remove an item from my inventory to whatever, right? Then I can check if that's in this packet, and if it is, then I do it and I remove that from my own dictionary, and then I do the inventory stuff then, right? Yeah, okay, let's do that. I think that's actually, I mean, honestly, I could probably do that the same way with the tile breaks, and maybe I should, but we can come back to that later. So first thing, in game client, we're gonna have, so I guess I can just, I don't need statics anymore. I could just do like public, this is gonna be a dictionary. Oh, does it need to be concurrent? Yeah, it does. Concurrent. Concurrent dictionary of vector2i to concurrent dictionary of int to int, and then this is items updated. Actually, I'm gonna go get water really quickly. Okie doke. So now in game UI, I'm clicking this online server PC. Yeah. So then I'm doing what? I guess game client instance. What's it called? Items updated. Try add tile.vec and then, okay, actually first, hold on. Try add, I guess I'll just do if this guy, also let's just do ref, var ref, can I do that? Is it just ref? Can't do that? What about just var? Oh wait, maybe I have to do ref here? And maybe ref here? Oh. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna believe this is chill, okay? Because it should be fast as reference anyways when I just do equals, so it's probably fine, okay? So contains key vec tile.vec and items updated, try add tile vec new concurrent this, oh my god. Yeah. And if items updated contains key, or items updated, no. Tilevec contains key. I hate doing this shit, dude. Like I'm like 100,000% sure there's a faster and better way to do this, but whatever, dude. And this is now this guy. Then items updated, tilevec, try add, item on cursor, item slot, item ID. I think the item ID is the same, by the way. I probably should check that, but I'm just gonna keep using the safe one. Cause I'm confident, you know what I mean? I'm like sure that it works that way. Okay, then this. And then, yeah, okay. So we do that on to inventory, and then the same shit on the else, but now with positive item count. I also have to do items. Or I guess this should be 0 actually. Items updated tilevec plus equals Christ, this guy. Oh, on cursor, item slot. Item ID. There we go. This is fucking bullshit is what this is. Okay, actually, you know what? Let's do this outside. In here, I guess? I mean, this should basically always... Oh, I don't have the tile, though. Okay, fine. I guess I have to do it here. And then same thing at the bottom. But then this is now normal. Okay. What's up, man? About to have 4K downloads? Nice, dude. Does that mean I'm going to play it? Okay, look. You think that the reason why I didn't play it is because it wasn't popular enough? Oh, I don't get the fucking clout? No, I just haven't played it because I I haven't played Terraria on my stream in like since I beat Fargo's, which was like that's a long time ago, dude. That's like, was that even this year? I think that was last year. It was either at the beginning of this year or early last year. I don't remember, but it was actually here. Let's check. Twitch tracker. When's the last time Terraria was open on the stream? Terraria. Last day of December. Oh, that's right. I did it on New Year's. I remember that actually. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it's been a hot minute, dog. It's nothing against you or your mod. I just haven't wanted to. I haven't played Terraria. Okay. Okay. So now in online, in Tick World State, in here. We also need to check now. Okay, hold on. Let's do... Okay. Do... Bar... Tile... Already have tile. Oh, but tile is the vector. Yeah, I have the vector already. Need to do bool is mine equals, okay, game client instance items updated dot contains key tile dot key. Yes. Okay. So now in here I have to also check if is mine, and then is mine equals game client instance items updated tile.key contains key item.key, and then if it's still mine, then we're gonna also check if game client instance items updated tile key item key equals wait, okay, yeah, and then this is now equals item.value. Okay, there we go. So this is now basically, if everything is the same, then it's for sure the same as mine, and we need to either add it to my inventory or remove it from my inventory. So tile, if the value is greater than 0, that means that tile is receiving items from player, and then player is receiving items from tile. Okay. So then in here, if is mine, then this is okay. Tile receiving items from player. So this is now player inventory, which I have. Okay, nice. Remove or take item. And then this is now item.key, item.value. And then is mine at the bottom here. Give item negative item value. Okay. We shall see, brother. So if I host client, I put a thing down, make it this, open it on both. Okay, put it in. Okay, instantly died. Oh, is it because this is never made new? Do I just did it again? I think I never did this. Try again. Try again. Hopefully this time we make it past step 1, huh? Okay, HC. Okay. Conveyor, put it in. Well, it didn't work. Which means that in here... Okay, let's pause in both of these and then reset everything. Okay. Put it down. Select it. Open it on both. Put it in. Okay, so this did not work. Which means... Let's just track the whole thing, I guess. So if I take it out... Is mine is true. Okay. Is mine is true. Okay. Is mine is false. Okay, so items updated is... -5, 1, and then 3, 3. Item.value is -3. Oh, wait. Okay, hold on. Wait. We gotta reset. Hello, Piv. Do this. HC. Breakpoint here. Okay, conveyor. Click it in. So, yeah, item.value is 3. What is my item.value? Do I have the negatives flipped? I might just have the negatives flipped. 6! Wait, 6? Like programming a thing that needs to rotate to face the player while also accounting for keeping the sprite in the right direction. Dude, you got so many of these problems, though. I'm bad. Like this is the real reason why I'm not a gameplay programmer. Okay, chat. It's because my 3D math skills have fallen off a cliff, dude. Like being able to project and shit. Like if I really think about it for a while, I can get there. But like, I'm just, especially in 3D. I just don't have I don't have it in me anymore, dog. Adobe Camera actually does like 90% of the math for you. Well, no, but even just like okay, if I need to like get a guide to look at myself, I mean actually like, okay, that one's pretty easy. you just equal the vector and then the inverse. But like, I mean, I'm talking about specifically, like, WMan has a lot of problems, or has had a lot of, like, difficulty with these, like, heavy math problems. And, dude, I just fucking, there's no way, dude. Not anymore. Like, maybe when I was, like, right out of college, and I was, like, fucking, I was so mathed out and ready to learn, you know? No, I'm aware. I mean, I wouldn't be able to help you anyways, because, yeah, I don't fucking... Okay, well, I don't know why it's 6. Yeah, I have no clue why it's 6. I guess I just gotta rerun it and see what the fuck happened. Here, so let's take this out on the host. And can I just reconnect? I can, right? Oh, but the thing isn't there. Well, I just break it and place it down again. It's chill, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, so put it in. Am I paused? Yeah, okay, I am. Oh, I'm fucking dumb. Okay. Did I pause for too long? Am I unconnected? Please tell me I'm still connected. Dude! Okay, what if I press C now? Am I reconnected perchance? Oh, come on, man. Okay, hold on. So, currently items updated is... value is 6. Okay. Set the run. Fucking whatever. Fucking whatever, dude. Okay, connect again. There's gonna be like... There's like three dead connections in this game now, but whatever, dude. Doesn't fucking matter. Okay. Conveyor. Put it in. Okay, so items updated is sure it currently should be. It's 3 now? Oh, I'm just fucking stupid. You know, actually, now that I think about it, this should probably be a list or an array instead of what do you call? Where's the Flife music? You know what? Let's check. Do they have it on Spotify yet? Fantasy Life I. They got Nobuo Uematsu up here, but they don't have. They got no Flifen. It looks like, at least. Which means I'm gonna have to go. Wait. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to go get it all fucking manually and put it in, and then I'm gonna have to fucking. Oh, it's gonna be shit. Ugh. I should have just made a YouTube playlist, man. It's not like I couldn't change it. To be fair, my Spotify playlist is like how long? 242 songs. It wouldn't even take that long. I'm sure there's even a program out there that can convert your Spotify playlist to a YouTube playlist. Which, by the way, also, I've stopped caring about it, obviously, but it technically is still illegal for you to play Spotify on your stream. I'm pretty sure, unless they changed that recently. I mean, I don't think anyone's gonna care, right? Like, the chances that some fucker at Spotify is like, oh, I'm gonna sue this, like, they're gonna fucking stream sue Kai Cenat, who's like promoting their platform to millions of people. No, and if they did, that would be career suicide. So. Okay, so now well, okay. So if the client fails to remove something now, in items updated, they're permanently gonna have a ghost, right? So how do I remove that, I guess, is the question. Because, okay, let's say that I remove an item and I actually get 2 back. Like, the server removes 8 of 10 and I remove 10 on my client, but only 2 on the server, right? Now the server is saying that, well, on the same frame, I guess it would be fine. Okay. No, see, this is why I should just make another dictionary, dude. Like, I know it's cringe and it kind of sucks, but this is why. I should just make it. It's so much easier. Because now there's so many edge cases. Like, before, what I just do, I just say, here's the client, here's how many items they got in this update, and it just fucking works, and it's beautiful. But now, oh my fuck, how do I? Oh, I didn't even check that if it worked, right? Let's make sure, I guess, that it works first. Yeah. Host client. Put it down. Get a thing. Open on a both. Click. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's... Okay. Fuck happened? What the fuck happened, bro? Holy moly. That's a lot of errors. Jesus, dude. Oh, I don't have the player inventory? Okay. I guess let's check that out. Wait, so this isn't online, right? Yeah. Do I just not export it or whatever? Online. Inspector. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. This time for sure. This time for sure! Buh. Okay, well there was an error. Trying to call an RPC. Which is not connected. I don't know about that. I'm pretty sure it looked pretty connected to me, dog. Kill on. If I remove the item, do I get the items back? I didn't get the items back. Oh, and that's okay. So yeah, this is why it's not working, because the is mine thing, this won't work when it's negative, because I need the absolute value. So that's annoying. I gotta go pee again. I'll be back. You know, I think that actually, like, I think that doing game dev streams, I think it makes me a worse game streamer. Okay, hear me out, right? Okay, because, like, when I'm programming, right, like, I'm actually, like, thinking, using my brain, not only is it better if I'm, like, actively talking about what I'm doing, right? Just because, like, that's, what else you fucking, like, right? Wait, what the fuck happened? Aurora Drifter. Why does it look like this? This is disgusting. Oh. You could just look at it you could look at it raw? Like, who would do that? Who's hitting their debugger raw like that? That's But anyways, like, I think that doing a game dev stream, like a programming stream, I'm basically let's playing the whole thing, right? Like, I'm just like, I'm talking about what I'm doing, like a let's player, essentially, right? Like, this is like 2010 YouTube, okay? Peak PewDiePie, Markiplier, okay? And then when I play games, nowadays, the peak content is no longer the let's players, okay? Let's playing is a dead act. Fortunately or unfortunately. Unless you're Markiplier. And even then, you know, it's not like he's fucking popping off, right? And I feel like this practices me and gets me in the mind filter and mindset to let's play even a game now. I think it's making me worse, dude. It's lowering, my banter is getting worse. My ability to do something and talk about some other bullshit is it's worse when I do game dev stream. But the thing is, like I can't. I mean, look, I'm talking about something and I literally can't focus on the game dev because like a game, Minecraft, I could just jump around for 2 seconds and it's chill. I gotta like focus actively, right? I mean, I guess it's the same. Like, if you're like a pro gamer, I guess you also. That's technically like that's like if you're like fucking watching a rival streamer talking about the game, that's also fine. That's because the content is the game. Okay, it's not the guy, right? Like average pro gamer without being good at the game, dude, he's got no viewers, dude. He's got no hosts. He's just like me, brother. For real, for real. Okay, what happened again when I did this? Oh. Wait, hold on. Oh, I don't have the item in. Okay, hold on. If I put the item in? Oh, no, right. Okay, I remember, yeah. So the problem is that in game UI, this is a plus equals. I mean, I guess I could just make it an equals. I guess. But like, how do I fix this, dude? The problem is I need to know which frame, like which update this was on, right? Like, so this request. Because okay. I think I just need to make another addiction. I think all this work I've just done is probably like it's so much easier and it's like foolproof for sure, right? Like I should probably just make an addiction. Like just send another dictionary over. Because if I don't do that. I don't know if I can guarantee it ever. Like specifically, like if if the server and the client both take out, like the server takes out 8 of 10 and the client takes out 2 of 10, but they both attempted to take out, or no, the client attempted to take out 10 and the server attempted to take out 8 of 10 on the same update, then the client is gonna get 2 of those. But knowing that is like borderline impossible without keeping like some sort of ID tracker of actions taken. But if I'm gonna do that, I might as well just chuck in a dictionary, right? Like, so I really don't want to make another dictionary, dude. Like I really don't want to do it. Like basically, if I could figure out how to make sure that the items in my inventory get like updated correctly, so like, or I mean the items that are in the game client, this dictionary, if I can make sure these get removed correctly, that would be better. But I think I should just, well, okay. Okay, the other thing I could do is, I guess technically in the server request, can remove item. Does this return true if it's greater than, so if I'm trying to remove 10 from something with 2, do I get the 2 back? I don't think I do. Like output can remove item. I just do a contains key? Oh, dude. Really? That's horrible. Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, what the fuck is this guy doing? Okay, items dot or ID greater than or equal to count. There we go. I have no idea why this wasn't like that at all. Just normally. Hold on, how is it for okay, that's fine. Okay, so basically removing 10 from 2 should not give you the 2. And if I do it that way, then oh, but no, it doesn't work, because if I remove 10, like if I and the server both try to remove 10 on the same frame, it's sending the 10 removed to both me and the server's gonna get the 10 items, and then it's gonna send me, the client, the update that removed 10 items from the tile, and then I'm gonna put them in. That's like that's a duplication bug. That's inescapable. A fucking piece of shit. All right, whatever. It's fine. Like, we're just gonna have to do the thing here. We're gonna have to send another dictionary of who got the items. I tell him game client. I'm just gonna remove this and then build, and we'll find all the places that I actually used it. Here. Get rid of all this. Get rid of this. Get rid of all this. And get rid of this. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to add another fucking stupid shit. Okay, so it's gonna have to be another one of these, but then this is gonna just be int. This is the sender ID, and then it's items updated. Int. And then I guess this can be an array, actually, rather than a dictionary. Oh wait, no, it has to be a dictionary, right? Never mind. I mean, it could be an array, and it's like it's a tuple array basically, but it doesn't matter that much. If it's just an array, if it's just a dictionary, I think it's fine. Look, when we start getting to problems with bandwidth, then maybe I'll start looking at that. But realistically speaking, I don't think it matters. Okay, server world state is also gonna need this guy. But now this is all gonna be concurrent dictionary. And then also, let's just do this. Okay. Okay, so actually, in let's see, hold on. In game client, yeah, in server request update items, this is the only place I actually had to do anything, right? So we're gonna go online, world state, current world state, items updated player, and then this is gonna be, I need the sender ID. What's up, Anonimo Productions? There we go, we did it! Anonimo, I did it! What's up, dog? How's it going? Okay, wait. Current world state, items updated player, and then I want to add the sender ID. How do I get sender ID again? Sender ID. I don't have UI preview in here? Bro, how the fuck is that possible? Okay, let's repin UI preview. Sender ID. This guy. Okay. So then in here, sender ID, try add ID count. And then same thing down here, but negative count. Wait, no, just count. Yeah, positive count still. Then... Oh wait, is this not fine? I think that the operator... This operator it sucks for some reason. And this doesn't... Let's just run it and see what the fuck happens, okay? I have a feeling that that's gonna break, unfortunately, but let's just fucking run it, okay? So put this down. Put this in. He was not found. Yeah, I don't understand why this is not add or update. Like, what the fuck is up with that shit, man? It's so evil, dude. It's actually so evil. I don't know why or who thought this was a good idea. Now I gotta do this shit. Items updated player. Okay, actually, first of all, can there be multiple items updated in one tick? Yes, because I have different frame rates. So I actually have to do this. Yeah. Oh, it's so lame, dude. Okay, if it contains the key, or it does not contain the key. Then we gotta do this. Try add. Well, I guess I could call try add or try. Or is it just update or add? Add or update. But I don't want to update if it's... Ugh, no, okay, we'll just do it this way, it's fine. Try add. Sender ID, and then new concurrent dictionary. And... okay, try add ID 0, and then this all ID plus equals count. Okay. Jesus Christ, dude. Jesus, dude. This is some bullshit is what this is. Okay, so then... Yes, okay. Okay, let's actually just bundle. I'm realizing that these are all actually... They're all being called the same. Let's just take both of this out to... So now in online, send enter world state. I gotta do state dot items updated player equals new, and in send world frame data we gotta add another this items added player, and this is an int. And then now I gotta add this at the end. Okay, it's kind of an the pain in the ass to add a new thing to my world state. Maybe I should make that easier. But honestly, I don't think it really matters that much. Like again, I mean, I keep saying that and then I keep adding more. But if it starts getting too bloated, then I'll maybe fix them. I'll change it. I'll change it. Okay, then this guy. Last one. This now needs items added player. And then this is an int. Items updated player equals item. Okay. All of that to say that now in Tick World State, down here, so items updated, yeah. Take all this out. Oh, no, this is good. No. So, okay. Need to do another one. Items updated, player. Then, rather than this, I check first if player.key is equal to, and then how do I get my sender ID? I think it's multiplayer dot get ID, get unique ID. I believe this is the call. If it's not equal, we just immediately break. Or no, we continue. Technically, this is also a little bit bad, technically, because what am I trying to say? Fuck, dude. This is a little bad because if I'm sending more data than I should be, basically, but it's not a big deal. I don't really think. I think it's fine. Because it's really so few actions, right? It should just be chill. So then now I just check for each bar item in player.value, and we do the same shit. And then this is now player inventory. You have a can. Nah, okay. There's no debug assert for this because it doesn't matter. The player can always accept all items. There's no limits in my inventory system, so. Well, there shouldn't be. I guess technically right now there is because I don't have a scroll bar for the inventory, and I need to do that eventually. But you know, we can do that later. It's fine. Okay, so then other way around. I guess now here I want to do, so player inventory. Do I have a can take? Can take. Really? This doesn't. Oh, has item. That's the one. Okay. Has item. Item dot key. Item dot value. Then player inventory, take item, the item value. Okay. Okie doke. Now for sure, all the inventory shit should be for sure now, all the inventory bullshit should be working. All it required was me adding more dictionaries. Which again, it does increase the overhead of the RPC call, but I don't think it should be by that much. Like, I assume there's just a checksum or some sort of like global way that they hold all of their data, or some way they can calculate it with a hash. Like, it can't be more than like 16 bytes of data. Like, that's like the maximum I would give. Now, 16 bytes per frame is 16 times 8 times 60. It is 7 kilobits. But again, if we need to reduce the number later, that we can do that later, right? We don't have to do that now. So, okay, finally, put this down. This. Huh? You are one of my favorite streamers that is a minority. You know, technically speaking, well, I guess Koreans aren't, especially now, dude. With the Korean population is fucking, it's flatlining, and I'm not helping. But Asian, I'm a majority. Actually, is that true? I mean, if you count India, because they're in Asia, then yeah, I'm like 100% sure that Asian is the majority in the world. So if you think about it that way, Anyways, why the fuck didn't it work, dude? Game client. Server request update items. How does this? Okay. This is so from inventory. I pass in count. Oh, because it's going to the guy. Okay, hold on. Okay. Minus equals count. This is so evil. That was Taiwanese? No. I mean, nothing wrong with being Taiwanese, but I don't feel like I look Taiwanese at all. I think even if you don't count Russia and you just count all the Asian countries, like population of Asia, yeah, it's 62% of the world's population. So I'm a majority. If you think about it that way. Majority streamer at the end of Asian month, dude. Fuck. Dude, it's fucked up, man. 2 years in a row now, I've been shafted out of Asian month. Look, did they even have it up anymore? Or is it too late? They don't give a shit anymore. Look, together for AAPI voices. Where's my invite, dog? And it's all VTubers, man. And one girl. Okay, there's 2 girls. 3 girls. 4 girls. They're playing Hearthstone? Oh no, this is my Blotcho. Anyways, where's my invite, dude? I'm just saying, all of these guys, they could be white. They might not be Asian. Who knows? Omi got the invite for Black History Month. Where's my invite, man? I'm so Asian, dude. Look how Asian I am. I got no eyeballs. Come on, brother. Yeah, but he didn't accept because he's evil and he was. This was I think 2 years ago, and he did not stream for the entire month, so it wouldn't have mattered. Where's me? I don't understand how I'm supposed to get picked, dude. I mean, maybe I did get picked. Hold on, let's check my email real quickly. Let's see. From Twitch. At the beginning of May. Yeah, I definitely did not get an email. No email. I'm not Asian enough, man. I don't know, dude. I'm Asian max, dude. I'm like 90% probably. Maybe higher? I haven't taken a 23andMe just because I'm keeping my DNA to myself, okay? I got all my TCG A's. They're mine. No company can have that. Okay, so if I put it in... Okay, what if I take it out? What? Did I not restart? I must not have restarted, right? I must not have restarted, because... Wait. Minus equals count. Yeah, I must... Surely. I just didn't restart. Gotta be. Gotta be. If I could be any Asian, which Asian would I be? Oh man, if only I could be Asian, chat. Wouldn't that be cool if I was Asian? Man, that would be fucking poggers, dude. Okay, click this. Okay. How? Why? How is it possible? I'm going pee. Fuck this, dude. This doesn't. It makes no goddamn sense, brother. What do you mean? What do you mean? How does it add? How does it add? Can't make a single game, Cabby. You need to send me that. You send me your game portfolio, or I'm fucking killing you in real life. We're past the ban stage. I'm gonna find you and murder you. like my emote, yes. It's pretty beautiful. Okay, what am I doing? Oh yeah, wait. Oh right, it's duplicating, right. How is it possible to be duplicating, is my question. Okay, online, where the fuck is my Tick World stage shit? Okay, here, I get the unique ID, I go through them. If the value is greater than 0, I give the item. Guess I'll check in game client here. Cause yeah, I'm adding it to 0. When I put this in, count is 3. So yeah, I'm sending -3 to the client. Okay, so then what the fuck happens when it gets 6? Well, it didn't. Okay. Can't believe you had a job helping Modern Warfare when you're having such problems with this. I could be fucking solving like World of Hunger and Cabby be like, damn bro, this guy came and solved a simple task, dude. If you had to get a cheaper apartment making educated guess, you're renting this new one, how are you paying for it if you're unemployed? Motherfucker doesn't understand how savings works. Average white Cardi fan in my chat, dude. I got 15 bucks in my account, buddy. We gotta spend it right now, dude. Motherfucker's never heard of a savings account, dude. A savings account is not buying fucking dog shit. I'm actually so glad that my parents have instilled in me, like, actually, I think that my parents, they didn't instill in me frugality. It's more that like, when I was a kid, so okay, when I was a kid, this is like loot box or loot crate. Anyone remember that shit? Like all those stupid, like, this is like in 2012 when every fucking YouTuber was sponsored by a dumbass box, right? Back then, I fell for that shit. I bought loot crate. I convinced my parents to get me loot crate. And I realized after like 5 months of getting loot crate that all I'm getting is useless shit. Like, it's so useless, right? And like, cause I remember like when I was a kid, I would look at like Amazon and just see like, oh, it's like the 3 gems from Ocarina of Time. Oh, that's so cool. For $50, I should buy that and put it in my house. And nowadays, I don't. I have zero wants, dude. Side bow, Cappy. Yeah, that's the gamer crate. I mean, I still have a lot of the shirts. In fact, this is not one of them, but I wear loot crate shirts on my stream all the fucking time, dog. Okay, kidding. It's 6. All right, fucking great, dude. And the shirts were nice, and I mean, like, a lot of them were like whatever, because they were like, I mean, they're like the fucking stupidest nerdy ass pop culture shit ever. It's like, oh, it's Negan from The Walking Dead, and I'm like, yeah, man, I totally watched that shit. Still have the shirt though. The shirts were nice. Everything else was completely useless. And I never, ever again have like bought. Oh, can we not, dude? Yeah, Negan from Tekken. You know what? If it came out then, maybe we'd be into it, dude. Maybe I'd be fucking down. Okay. Okay, let's see. So if I, hold on, breakpoint in Tick World State here. So I should be getting -3. Oh. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + 3 = 6. 3 + figured it out, chat. Is this guy a fucking genius? Dude, I need to have everything just be consistent, but like this is one of those times where I wholeheartedly agree that I'm doing a bad thing now, okay? But it should work now. Yes. Okay, didn't give me the items, but we're getting there, okay? We are getting there. Okay, why the fuck not, man? You piece of shit. When is the day of my eviction? Dude, that would be a hype stream. Yo, could I... Okay. What if I became, like there's a lot of homeless guys in LA, you know? Do you think there's a homeless streamer? I mean, I guess it would be hard to not know, right? Because, like, he'd be fucking walking around with a phone. I mean, he'd also probably get his phone stolen. Actually, that's not true, though. There's a lot of homeless people with phones. I don't know how they don't get stolen, to be honest with you, but there are a lot of homeless people with phones. I mean, you kind of have to have a phone in today's day and age if you want to become not homeless. Like, if you're trying to escape homelessness and you don't have a phone, you're boned, dude. There's a good few of them. I mean, I guess they're not near me, or at least probably. That would be hype. Okay. 3. Item.value is 0? What the fuck do you mean it's 0? How the fuck is it 0? How is it 0? That makes no sense! Oh my fucking god, dude. Oh my fucking god, dude. How is it 0? It actually makes no sense. Let's run out of cash out on OnlyFans. I think that's a great idea. In today's day and age, dude, okay. I think there actually was genuinely a time where if you were an attractive woman and you made an OnlyFans account and you just like kind of did some horrible shit, you actually could make a lot of money. You know, even with no fame, no clout. Okay, I had not a friend. I was a friend of a friend who I know that she made an OnlyFans account. And she had no clout, right? And she's like, I mean, surely she's not gonna watch this. She's like a mid-ass girl. Like, she's fine. Like, nothing wrong with being mid, but it's true, you know? And dude, she got like $2,000 in like a month. That's a lot. That pays my that would pay my rent in my old apartment. What's up, button? Yeah, you know what? Actually, technically, kind of, we are close to shipping a multiplayer demo. I can attach that shit to my resume right now, almost right now. Oh, not a Q4. Q4 is in fucking forever. Q4? I got so much time. Cabby, you can definitely beta. I don't know. Nothing else, though. Okay, hold on. Wait. This is the client. So, 2 inventory is the one I want to watch. Okay. Yeah, okay. Item on cursor is 3. Oh, and I fucking DC'd, okay. Q3 it is. Wouldn't wait up too much time. Oh, God forbid a game developer doesn't get crunched, huh? Okay, put this down. Make it a this. Put it in. Continue. Take it out. Value is 0. What? What? What are you talking about? Are you smoking weed? terrible game journals that rate the game 0 because it's too hard. I mean, I think for this game, Cappy, that would be true though. I think that the target audience, like, Cappy got a different type of tism, you know what I'm saying? Dude, why is it 0? Why is it 0? How much would you make after a month of OF? At least $5. I'm sure I could give $5 because Cappy would subscribe immediately. Okay, I need to go on the host, I guess. I need to fucking, yeah, right. I think you should try without telling us until a month has gone by. Yeah, seems like a great idea. Yeah, I made a secret OnlyFans account to see if it's luck or skill. Dude, I'm telling you. Look, there's so much Gooner content. I'm telling you, dude. The world's first Goonfluencer, they're gonna come out and they're gonna make fucking millions of dollars, and I'm gonna wish it was me, dude. Some guy is gonna come out. There's someone in the world is gonna start doing shit like that. Like, oh my god, dude. And I'm gonna just think it could have been me, bro. I could have been the millionaire trillionaire, dude. Definitely gonna come out. I mean, no, he could be straight. Or she. Actually, it's probably gonna be a I don't know. I'm just telling you, dude. Mr. Goon, okay? Somewhere out in the world, someone's gonna do it, and they're gonna get so popular, and I'm just gonna wish it were me, bro. I had the knowledge in my mind for years now that it's a good idea. I just don't want to associate myself with that, because I think that would be like the fastest way to get yourself to be unemployable. All right, so I put 3 in. And then count is 3. So we're taking 3 away from the inventory. Yes. Okay. Now I put it in. And it's -3. What? 0? What is -3 0 now in this? Oh no, I'm just dumb as fuck, dude. Oh, dude, how many times have I fucking forgot to update this shit, man? That's crazy. Man, if only he wasn't fucking stupid, huh, chat? That would be crazy. Wear a luchador mask? No, but that removes the whole point of it. Like, if Ryan Creamer wasn't just like the funny looking white guy, he wouldn't have gotten anywhere, dude. Half the joke is that he looks like a fucking just normal ass guy. And I think, in fact, actually, the closer you look to Mr. Beast, the better it is. Okay, surely now. Put 3. Oh. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let's try this one. 3. Okay, it doesn't work. That's fine. Oh, actually, that was a great test. Look, I didn't get onto this one. Look at that. It works. Who is he? I think maybe I got the name wrong. I'm pretty sure that's the guy who yeah, this is the guy. Okay, hold on. Do I have any problems? Are there any problematic statements here? No, I think it's chill. This is the guy who, like, I mean, I don't know if he still does it, but he had the video where he would just like he was like cleaning the casting couch. And then he would like it was shit like that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it works, dude. It works! It only took fucking 2 hours? Look, I can put the item in, dude. It's crazy. I can take the item out. That's crazy. 2 hours is pretty good for me, not gonna lie. That's true. You know, 2 hours and I got 2 tasks. Is that not essentially a task per hour? I think it's pretty good, dude. I actually think that this is like fucking swag, dude. How much would it take for you to start an OF? It's enough that I could retire easily without question. I think that's how much it would be worth. I think anyone would do it then, right? Although it also depends on how much I have to do it. Like if I have to like, I mean, I can barely stream weekly, let alone fucking. I don't even know what the fuck I'd have to be doing weekly. If I had to do it for like 3 years, maybe. But if I had to do it for the rest of my life, probably not, dude. That's too long. Like, I mean, I can't even imagine streaming for the rest of my life, dude. Okay. Anyway, so this works. I don't know what this means. I don't know why this is here, so I'm just gonna ignore it. Okay, we're gonna put it down in the do later tasks. Okay. Okay, so I think for real now. I think for real, like actually, the game is networked. Okay, everything at least that I have in currently is working properly. It's working exactly how it should be. Which is really good, actually. It's like beautiful. All the everything that needs to be multiplayered is multiplayered, which is a good milestone. Now, does it work? That's a different question. For sure, dude. That's a different question. Okay, nobody knows that until I write the test, which is gonna happen in 10 years. You want me to go through your search history? It wouldn't even be bad. My search history is like. You think I don't use incognito? What am I fucking stupid? What am I 8? What am I 10? Okay, so yeah, it all works, which is great. I don't know why this is still slightly green here, but that's fine. Oh, it's because of the ping, dude. It's because of the ping. Yeah, it's because of the ping. I live alone. Why use incognito? What you just? I like being able to type in. You know what I like being able to do? I like being able to go to Google Chrome and type in Pottery Barn on my stream. Okay, that's good. I think that's a great right for me to have. Okay, yeah. So this is working correctly. Oh wait. Oh, it's still in here. Okay, hold on. So I can take this out, right? Yes. Can I put it in? Oh, really? That didn't work? What if I take it out? Oh, I can't take it out. Oh, bruh. Oh, bruh. Oh, bruh. What? No, come on. No, man. Remember that time I said it's all working? Fix that, I guess. Could end up on stream refills and people would check you out. Yeah, okay, look, here's the thing. I think, personally speaking, okay, like, I know that every streamer nowadays blows up because of TikTok clips, okay, right? Like, I get it, but I think it's such a terrible growth strategy. Like, personally speaking, because first of all, like, okay, I think that if I had to become a big streamer, like, or I would die in the next 2 years, maybe I could subscribe to that idea, like doing that kind of thing, but I don't care. I don't fucking, I'm not out here trying to fucking, you know, I'm not dedicating my life to this shit. Like, I would actually prefer to be employable. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would prefer that when when a company AI face recognizes me and then puts does the deepest search on my life and personal backstory on Google, that it doesn't come up with me like with a clip where I say who's gonna stop me, you know? Like, I feel like that's like It's a good thing, I think, personally speaking, you know? I gotta go pee. I'll be back in a sec. Even if it is entertaining, you know, having a job is cool. Joe Megalol. Yeah, look, man. Look, you know what? At least there's a future, okay? There's a future. What's up, Sergey? How's it going, man? Okay, so why is it not working from the other way around? Because this is item stacking, this is invite item is empty, or the cursor item invite item match. This is inventory just delete itself, yeah. This is... Fuck, man. What the fuck? Test our shit again. It's gonna die probably. Yeah, it died probably. What did I say? Actually, I went pee, so you crashed at the opportune time, dog. Okay, so host client. Then I guess I'll unpause temporarily. So I'm gonna put this down. Craft. Okay. Bear is crafted. So now. Oh wait, I don't. Oh wait, I'm the host. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Okay, I want to check in here. No, fuck. In here, why it's dying. So if I take out a conveyor belt. That shit doesn't even work? If we're not the server, and inv item storage is tile entity tile. Inv item.inventory. This isn't getting called? Oh, fucking god, bro. Oh my fucking oh my fucking god, bro. Oh my fucking god, bro. So you're telling me that I do this, or no, this one's not getting called. Do this, I do that, this. Okay, it gets called there, but then now what happens? Yeah, okay. Inv item is inventory, storage. What? What? What do you mean? It's not a tile? How is that possible? Storage is the node 2D. Because the storage at is oh, dude. Okay, hold on. Wait, why is that the case though? Is it on click in game UI? Yeah, okay. Crafter UI, tile crafter on click. So UI output dot storage equals output. I build Podman desktop to fix their extension. I love license nonsense, dude. I love having to use licenses. It's so fun. I'm glad I never had to deal with that kind of shit when I was working. Because, yeah, that's horrible. So boring. Anyways, I don't know why this is just output. I don't... Why? If I change it to this, what happens? Is it just chill? License for that, dude. I mean, technically that's true, you know. Is not a license to be 3-head the papers that I have autism. I do. I have my license, sir. Here you go. Well, actually, I actually have no idea how to get that. Like, I don't know. Like, if I gotta like show documentation for anything about me ever, I have no fucking clue where to get that shit, dude. It's somewhere, but I don't know how to get it. I don't know how to get any of my shit, dude. I don't even have my social security card. I just know the number. I have no idea where anything is. Like, dude, if my parents like just both die abruptly, I'm fucked, man. Like, it's somewhere in this house, but I have no idea. Like, somewhere in their house, but I have no idea where. I have no fucking clue, man. And I probably will have no fucking clue unless they tell me. But I have no reason to know. So, like, well, I guess I should know so I don't. If they die, then I'm not fucking immediately cooked. Okay, hold on. UI input. I don't set that at all. For inputs, child.storage equals this. Okay, so what if I do this? What happens? Does it like die? Does everything die if I do that? Oh, I didn't. Actually, hold on. I think I can build a. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay. If I put this to conveyor. Oh. Okay. Hold on. I think it all died. HC. Okay. What happens now? Okay, well. Pick world state 268. Oh, because I can't. Okay. That's fine. Let's try this. I do get the 2 back, and if I put them in, and they're gone. Okay. Okay, here's what I need to check. This is when I need fucking tests, right? Because I don't know if the crafter is gonna have like a heart attack now, because it might just like die. Let's just try to make the crafter do anything correct. Okay. Wait, hold on. We gotta. Shit. Oh, and then it died. And then it died. Okay. Am I fully DC'd? Oh no, I guess. Oh, this is an unbreakable node. That's probably why. Yeah, okay. Testing is separate my log. No. For testing, it's fine. I don't need to separate anything. It's separated enough that I can work with it, right? Like. Splitter. Oh, right, my splitter is fucking dead. Okay, splitter this way, splitter this way. There we go. Okay. Then I need 2 furnaces. I need an inserter into each. Don't ask why I'm setting it up this way, okay? Don't. Oh, I don't have another splitter! I don't have 2 splitters! Fuck, man! I don't have 2 splitters! Okay, hold on. Where the fuck is my player inventory? I can't play test my game because I don't have 2 fucking splitters, dude. I don't. Fucking. Okay, what if I just? I'm just gonna pretend that's not a thing, and I'm just gonna put splitter down here, and surely it'll just work, yeah. Surely if I do this, it'll just work and be fucking fine. This might be Factorio roguelike, dude. It just might be. So, same shit. Okay. Actually, I guess I could just do it this way, huh? No splitter required. Oh, I know. I do need a splitter. Okay. Okay, yeah, look, it worked. I have 21 splitters. Okay, look at that. Amazing. Okay, so put the splitter down here. Oh, wait, it doesn't work, right? It has to be here because it's stupid. Okay. 1 iron this way. Oh, look, I can do a main bus, dude. I'm main busting. Okay, I think it's because it's in the wrong place. Okay, actually, we need to reset the run. I need to fix the splitter. The splitter needs to rotate correctly. I'm honestly, okay, you know what? Actually, let's have the splitter work normally. Just like, okay, so do this, and then the splitter this way. This way it actually works the way, like the way that you think it should, right? So then I want to split off this way. And then the furnace will go here. And now the problem is I don't have long-handed inserters yet, so I can't. It's kind of difficult for me to get coal in, but we'll just do coal like this, okay? Oh, but I can't because the inserters have to put onto the line. Wait, what am I doing? I'm fucking... Okay, hold on. I don't need to... Yeah, I don't need to anything. I could just do this and then split the iron. He's fucking stupid, chat. When this releases, the icon's better, like 80 times better. Fucking Beetle just can't appreciate true fucking art, man. I don't have to tell you. Like, you're just not an art appreciator like me, you know? Simply just not an art appreciator. Okay, you know what's really good? Look at that. Look at that. That's how I can tell they're really synced. They have the same conveyor bug. Like, if that doesn't tell you that the game, that the clients must be synced, I don't know what will. Look, they got the same ass conveyor bug. It's perfect. That means it's gotta be good, right? It's gotta be good. Okay, so then now the wall is in the way. I have no space. Okay, fine. I'm gonna run a conveyor soon. Bring it all over here. Okay, then this crafter turns this into gears. Then this crafter turns these into belts. Witness my greatness! Witness my greatness! Okay, I don't know why it was just setting the output. I don't know if that's gonna break anything. I actually have no clue. Like, I don't know if that's gonna kill things, but it'll work now the way I want it to. So, like if I open this on this and I open this on this, uh-oh. Wait, it's... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 44. 20? Okay, that's a problem. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to fucking reset that shit, 11 people watching, maybe get 3 cents instead of 1 today. Dude, Beetle in my chat, maybe he'll fucking get nothing done as always in his fucking life. Dude, this 3 cents, okay. That's important. Look, dude. I got $3.93 this month. I'm basically a fucking millionaire. So, you know, every cent, every penny's a penny, dog. Yeah, I totally really care about my YouTube VOD ad rev, dude. I should actually go through and probably like re-monetize my shit, but one of those pennies is me watching 30 parts. No, Luke's Daily is not monetized. If it was, it would be great, but I don't have 1,000 subs, so. What am I doing again? Oh, yeah, hold on. So, why did they get desynced? So, if I do this, I need to do the same setup as before. Like this. Then this will be crafting gears, and then these gears will go onto a belt. Okay. 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 Let's put it back to output. I have a feeling that's what's causing the problems. Because if not, I mean, actually, I guess technically, I hope that is not the problem. Because if that's the problem, that really sucks. Like, that sucks fucking so bad. That would suck so bad. So I really hope that's not the problem. But I feel like it probably is. Which is unfortunate. Okay, hold on. So let's check this. It's gears. They're going in. Yep. It crafts. It's 1. It's 2. It's 3. Yeah, okay. So then if I put an inserter down, it's 6. It's 7. Yeah, okay. Now they should be synced perfectly again. Yeah. Okay. So somehow UI output.storage being the whole tile crafter just dies. And I don't really know why it'd be doing that. I don't know why it'd be doing that. It's so annoying though, dude. That means that now yeah, they're not synced, dude, which is so annoying. Dude, that's so annoying. I can't believe that that breaks. Okay, what's gonna be easier, fixing it or fixing this is the real question. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do this again. I genuinely have no clue why it starts dying. Let me just do it in single player. Okay, so if I post in single player and I want to make iron gears. Goes up. Where is it going? Where are you going? Why are you leaving? What are you doing? Huh? Where is it going, man? Where is it going? I don't understand. Why is it just disappearing? And then it's not? Why does it disappear every time? I'm losing crafts. There's not even an inserter coming out of it. It's just gone. Why is it gone? What's happening? I don't know. I have no clue. I actually have no clue, dude. Like, genuinely, I have no idea where it's going. I could not tell you why my items are just vaporizing, apparently. Look, they're just fucking, there they go, into the atmosphere, disappearing. Okay, hold on. Let's, okay. We can get to the bottom. Actually, I'm gonna go pee first. This is fixable, maybe. I mean, if I can figure out why this happens, then maybe it's fine and I can just set it to this. I don't know, but we'll see. Okay. Okay. So, what I think I have to look for is... Oh, maybe not. Wait, now it doesn't die? Hold on. So you're telling me that it only... The gears only die when there's... What if it... Okay, if there's an inserter going into it, do the gears die? Is that what you're telling me, dude? That is unfortunate if that's the case, though. I mean, first of all, because I should probably actually test my saving system and loading system, because I have no idea if that shit still works. I have a feeling it doesn't, if I'm being totally real with you, but okay. So only when there's an inserter attached to it. Okay, so if I delete the inserter, 5. But then I put one down, going into it, it's fine? Input.remove item. Where is remove item actually called though? Wait, no, but that should fail. Yeah, what? Does this ever get called? Okay, it just did. Okay, why? ID is 23. Inventory item reset. In furnace. Oh! Oh! Okay, hold on. If using UI is this. I need to have that called probably way more often. Why is Gabby banned? Because he said some fucking stupid shit. What do you mean? What do you really what do you really think is about what's going on here? He just said some stupid shit. As always. Okay. So it shouldn't die anymore? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna reset everything and see if now if I can make conveyor belts when they stay synced. Host connect. We're gonna travel really far down to avoid all my shit up there. I need a free play area or something where they don't have these items, dude. Okay. Iron. So into the furnace. And coal into the furnace. Let's also put these on my hotbar where they normally. Okay. Then into here, and we'll put the splitter on the hotbar. Splitter here. Okay, then up and forwards. Then a crafter here. This is going to be the gear crafter. Then a crafter here. And this will be the conveyor crafter. And I'll have this output onto a belt. Okay. Oh, it's desynced for some fucking reason. The crafters are desyncing, yeah. Like, the belts look fine. But the crafters, for whatever reason, this one has way more conveyors. Like, this one has 8, this one has... Yeah, so it has... 12... Wait... 15... 14... 15... 16... 17... Why is it losing? Okay, I think what's going on is I need to find every single fucking anywhere UI output gets called. I have to just like fix it, dude. I have to put it in a using UI every single time, because otherwise it's over. Okay. Okay, this is on click. On click is fine. Okay, hold on. So now in Tilecrafter, using UI or output UI. If using UI, remove item here. Same thing. Quick question. Banning Adam Johnson. UI using, okay. Try one more time. I think what was happening is it's the same thing. I didn't have the using UI thing over. Flight house building because idiot, and after an hour the game crashed. It's over, dude. It's all over. You know what? This is deserved though for trying to be a girl gamer and build your damn house. All right, this is just deserved by the Flife gods. Okay, I will say it actually does like it feels good to be able to play this game the way that I'm playing right now. Like I can actually just like do what I'm trying to do, like I'm playing Factorio, which is a really good feeling actually. Like I'm just putting the stuff down. I'm putting you know, like I can like seemingly break this stuff. I can if I fuck it up, I can just fix it. That's actually really nice. Conveyor at the end, and then put this onto a belt. Now I come down as this guy, and we'll see if they're synced. So 1, 3. Well, the belts are synced at least now, which is good. 7. Wait, they are synced. Why did it look so wrong then? Why did it look so wrong, dude? Wait, this one's not synced. Look, 14. 17. 19. Oh, wait. Wait. Hold on. I think I know what's going on. If I do this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's a problem. It's supposed to be 2! I think this seems like prejudice against specifically Cappy. Is this what it feels like to get stuck, chat? Is this what it feels like? To be a girl gamer Twitch streamer and be stalked by one obsessive viewer? Okay, so Tilecrafter, start crafting. Okay, where does this get called again? Set item. Okay. Start crafting. Remove them. Yeah, okay. And then in here, crafting item to craft dot craft time. Output dot insert item. Item to craft ID num craft times item to craft dot craft num. Okay, so I think that the conveyor craft num is just 1 instead of 2 for some reason. I don't know why. And that's why it's desyncing, because they actually are syncing. Okay. They are synced. It's just that not when you open them because of this crafting thing. So let's pause here and figure out why that's happening. Okay. Craft num is 2, num craft is 1. Output dot insert item. Items ID equals count, which is 2. 1. Yeah, man. What? What? Oh, I'm just okay. Okay, one last time. Actually, you know what? Let me try something really quickly. I'm gonna full test. It's corrupted or non-existent. Oh, good. Wonderful. That's good. Yeah, okay. Yeah, right. You know what? Let me try something. Let me try making a new save and see if does that work at all, or is this whole system just totally borked? If I just do this and then I save. Tester. Save game. Well, it made it. Hold on. Okay, tester. No. Okay, there's infinite errors. Okay. Cannot access a disposed entity. Oh, because I left the scene is probably why. Here, let me try this. So if I close this one, press host, and then press tester. Oh, it does work. Really? Okay. So that's actually swag if that works, dude. Like if I can just save this whole shit, that'd be really nice, you know? Splitter. That work like that? Nope, okay. Splitter has to go here, I guess? Oh. Okay. Sideways splitter is just not happy. Alright, fine, we'll go up, it's fine. We'll have the splitter go up, it's chill. Up splitter is beautiful. Darling goodness, amazing. Down splitter is not so good. Oh, I didn't connect, fuck. Right. Oh, I was gonna save! No, fuck! Double fuck! Okay, hold on. Fucking piece of shit. Okay, let me... Okay, here, let's just do this. Let's set up the furnace. Okay, if we can set up the furnace and the furnace works. Furnace onto a belt. Okay, so... Furnace. Save game. Now let's delete all these other tests because these probably don't work. Furnace. Okay, well the inserters seemingly aren't going and I can't break them. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's just how it is. The save system is... I gotta fix that. Okay. We'll put that into the goals today. Fix the save load system. Because I definitely need that to be working if I want to make any tests, right? If I want the tests to work at all, the saving loading system has to be better. Let's just post and connect. Also, it definitely would not work in multiplayer. Saving loading would not work at all in multiplayer. So that's another thing I'd have to fix anyways. So it's NBD at the moment. Okay. Let's see. Is it good? 4, 2, 1, 0. Yes, dude. That looks pretty synced to me. At least for this basic test, right? Reopen. They're both on 2. Now they're both on 4. Take out this iron. Iron is gone from both. They're both on 6. Yeah, okay. Alright. And then if I want to take out 8 from here. So beautiful. Okay, look at that. Look at that. It works, dude. It's all working. Okay, so now with that being said, okay. I think at this moment, right now, I'm pretty sure that the game is now fully synced and multiplayer is working. Now again, this is just with 50 ping, no packet drop, no packet loss. So you know what? We can actually test this by if I pause my debugger for like a second, that's technically a second of packet drop, right? Can adding gameplay break multiplayer, or is it a done deal now? If I just add more tiles and stuff, it's fine. Adding more, like if I add more gameplay to the systems that are currently multiplayer, then it won't break, right? I'm definitely gonna have to do that. I'm definitely gonna add new systems for sure, but I think that won't be for a little bit at least, right? Or at least it won't be things that like need to be perfectly synced. Like if I have like a new system for like the research, because I have a research tab that I'm still not, it's not using used at all. If I add that does not need to be synced nearly as well as the world does, right? Like if either player clicks on the research, I don't give a shit, okay, right? Like it'll just pick one, and whoever wins. So there's no perfect syncing that needs to be done. The server can just ignore the client if he feels like it, and it's fine. It's totally perfectly fine for the client to do that. So oh, we out of iron? I think the iron ore ran out of iron. Yeah, it did. Okay. Here, there's another good test. We can put the iron in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, it all works. Okay, good. I mean, I think the iron ore in this game is basically just a chest that has like 100 iron in it. It's pretty shit, dude. So it's not like I can just add more iron if I really wanted to, right? But it's synced. The world state is perfectly synced. Yeah, it looks exactly how I want it to look on both screens, which is so good, dude. That's actually so good. Okay. It only took us fucking 10 years, but I think we're finally there. Now, I say that and it's 4:47. I've only been streaming for 3 hours? Really? That's nuts, dude. I feel like I've been streaming for so long. I guess because I was actually doing work today and I like used my brain, I guess. I just don't know if I want to add anything right now because if it's probably gonna break. Oh my god, that's a lot of coal. Okay. Probably should put a limit to the amount of coal that can go in a crafter, but we can do that later. That's fine. Okay, so I think the next thing I want to actually do, again, I want to go back to doing gameplay, right? And well, technically, this is what my current priority looks like. Okay, fix the splitter, and then probably then join in progress, and then these ones can be pretty far down because I don't really like. I mean, this, okay, I guess it should be up here as well, but it's less important, right? But then, yeah, so the next feature I want to implement is turrets and combat. I guess they also need to finish the inventory, because the inventory currently sucks. It doesn't work. And getting a debug cheat menu would also be nice, for sure. Oh my god, he lasted to the whole timeout! No way, dude! So yeah, I want to do turrets, and then technically again. So once I do turrets, we're technically back to a playable prototype, like kind of, sorta, a little bit. Did I miss the raid again? Hold on, dude. Is my raid notification broken or am I blind? Which one is it? Okay, whatever. Dude, I'm so blind. Holy shit, Patrick! Thanks for the raid, dog. 37 people, that's nuts. Game looks intriguing. You know, it's amazing that you say that when the game is actually open. Look, people always be saying that the game looks intriguing when it's not open, you know? Yeah, I gotta change the sound, dude. I gotta make it more recognizable because it's so quiet. Normally people are like, oh, it sounds like a cool idea for a game, but then when I open it, they're like, fucking, what the fuck is this guy doing? Yeah. Well, yeah, the spaghetti and the fact that the players are different sized, and the fact that there's a guy with a stick figure with two big ass circles. Look, Factorio also started out. Okay, look, Factorio. You mentioned it, I'm less intrigued. No, we're losing the people. Early game. Not early game mall, you fuck. Early development. Look. This game looked so dull. Actually, this is probably not actually Factorio. There's a different picture. I think that, yeah, this is it. Original Factorio trailer. Look. Now, does my game look less or more dog shit than this by a significant margin? Maybe. But like, you know, come on, dude. I guess I will fix the splitter then, because that's something that I definitely want to fix, because it's just completely fucking broken. I don't really know why. And then so we'll do this, and then I think I'll probably end stream. But this might take a long time, because the splitter code is so fucked, man. The splitter code is horrible. Like, it's actually horrible, right? So we'll see. Maybe it takes 2 seconds though. Who knows, dude? Who knows? It was how'd you stream? Also, what's the GH stand for? Like, whenever I see GH3, I think immediately of Guitar Hero 3. And if that's the case, that's swag, dude. Look, I got a controller right here. It is? No way, dude! Guys, I should stream Guitar Hero 3 right after this. Should I pass through the fire and flames on hard and not expert because I'm a pussy and I can't do it? Also, okay, to be fair, I think this controller's dog shit. I got this from like a retro game store that was near me. The buttons are so hard to press. I don't know if it's normal. Like, I don't remember when I was a kid how hard it is to press the buttons down. But I feel like I mean, I guess it's like a normal guitar, because real guitars you actually have to press down like way harder. But dude, my hands get so tired. My forearm after I play Guitar Hero, it's actually so pumped, dude. Also pass on a hard, not expert. Yeah, hard expert's too much. hitting those hopos at the beginning, dude. It's too much. Remember the 3 buttons being harder than 2 to press? I never played 2. I only played 3. I played 3 in Rock Band, and then Rock Band was like kind of a piece of shit. But I swear that controller, like I don't know how to fix it. Like I guess I could like open it and mod it myself, but I think that's too much work. I'll just get a nice forearm working every time I play like Guitar Hero, you know. Okay, the only problem is that if I stream Guitar Hero and play through the Fire and Flames, I'm definitely gonna get copy strike. But like, you know, is that such a bad thing? Is that such a big deal if I get copy strike? I think not. It's fine. Okay, so let's open the splitter up. We got to take a look at this shit because it's not gonna be good. I have no idea. I have no idea what this thing even is, bro. Oh, also, I guess I should remember. Guys, I'm a really good streamer. I totally remembered to shout out the Raider. Totally remembered, dude. I'm such a good streamer, chat. I remember everything to do when I quitted. Always forever. Anyways, what, I mean, I assume you weren't playing Guitar Hero and found my stream. Unless you were, in which case, that's nuts. If somehow you rated a game dev streamer while in a or while playing Guitar Hero, that's nuts. Or I guess like Fortnite Festival. That's like the new one, right? Can you play Fortnite Festival? I mean, I guess you probably can play with the controller, but like, I don't think it has what do you call, like built-in. It doesn't natively work, right? Well, it probably doesn't natively work because this thing, the keybinds in that are crazy, dude. I guess because like, I think the reason why they're like that is because to play Guitar Hero on PC, they expect you to actually hold your keyboard like this. And then, so like strum is like, I think enter or plus, or maybe it's the other way around. I think it might be caps lock. And then all the numbers, or all the keys are like, oh, no, I think it's this way. Oh, I muted my computer. It's this way, yeah, because the keys are ZXCVB. And then strum is one of the keys up here. I don't know, it's fucked, dude. Okay, I assume so. We're gonna randomly generate a grid-based puzzle game. Oh, like, wait, grid-based puzzle game as in like Tetris grid-based, or like just like, well, I guess what kind of puzzle, I guess, right? Like, are we talking like Baba is you type shit? Just as in like in the controls, right? Okay, what am I? This thing is so horrible, dude. Why is this even? It's okay. I think the first thing we should probably fix is the fact that whenever I place, when you try to place the splitter, it's totally off, right? Like, so like, yeah, it's like wrong. So we should probably fix that first. Anyways, all right, take care, my dude. I appreciate the raid again. Okay, so what am I doing again? Fuck, dude. The dementia's kicking in again, chat. What the fuck am I doing? It's over for me, I think. It's over for me, dude. Oh, fixing the placement, right? Okay, I think that's in UI preview, right? Let's see. So, yeah, this thing. Okay, so what I actually want to do then, this is actually this is actually like the easiest fix ever, dude. So I just have to do if tile size is 0. And I just have to do if I guess I should here. Let's do, I do this every frame. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I probably should fix this later, but like fix this or don't do this in process. We'll also just do var tile item equals item manager item list current tile. I guess I need to do if item manager item list contains key current tile. Because if there's no tile, then it shouldn't do anything. Okay. I guess I need to. This is an R item? Yeah. R item, tile item. And then in here, if tile item is not null, then if tile size is tile item dot tile width mod 2 is 0. Then mouse pause Y plus 64. If tile item tile height mod 2 is 0, then mouse pause. Oh, wait. X Y. Okay. Right now, I think the splitter placement should be good now. Yes. Yeah, that's much better. And it should work for everything else still. Nice. Okay. Easy fix, dude. Yeah, I gotta change my raid sound, by the way, dude. I've literally missed, like, this is like the 5th raid in a row that I've missed. I really gotta change that shit, dude. It's so bad. Yeah, I don't know. I also don't, dude. Like, listen to, like, I think it's when there's music playing. Like, it's so quiet. You know what? We're doing this right now. Streamlabs. Actually, I'm not logged in. I'll do it later. You did hear that sound? Oh no, I played it a second time after I missed it. So if you heard it if you heard it when I played it again, then I also heard it. But like, God, dude. God, dude, this is like the 5th raid like in the last couple weeks that I've missed. So bad. Didn't take me as a raid sound. Yeah, it's not really. I mean, it's just one of the default. Like, I think all of my shit, except for the follow sound, is still default Streamlabs sound effects. Cause I don't care, man. I don't care enough. Oh yeah, did the new Elden Ring? The Elden Ring game came out, right? I mean, actually, I'm gonna look at that really quickly. Elden Ring Night Rain, mostly positive. So I've heard that the big problem is that this game is 100% reliant on your team. Your team is literally full of morons. Okay, so the thing that I've heard that kind of sucks ass is that this game is only trioable. You can't duo this game, which I don't know what the fuck what they're smoking. Like, I got 2 friends. Well, I guess I do, but 2 friends that play Elden Ring and wouldn't make me upset to play with and have the money to buy it. Like, I don't know. So you can play solo, which maybe I'll do. I don't really know. We'll see. We'll see. It's a we'll see, right? Because it is. How much is it? It's like 40 bucks, right? Yeah, 40 bucks. I mean, I'll wait for the reviews to come in. If it looks cool and fun, then I'll probably get it. If they make it duoable and Alex wants to play with me, I'll probably get it. But until then, I think I'm going to hold off. Okay, so next thing we got to fix is... Oh, it doesn't work for the... Oh, right, because it's rotated. Oh, okay. So I need to also in here, if tile... Okay, hold on. The first way what we need to do is we need to do int tile width equals this. Int tile height. Nice, thank you. Visual Studio autocomplete. Okay, so we need to do if tile entity manager rotate or map rotation mod 90 equals 0. We gotta find this. That's the only place? Bro, how is that possible? Okay, hold on. So 90 degrees rotated once is here. 180 is here. Oh, no, wait. Mod 180 needs to be... Bro. Or, no, wait. Not equal to 0. Yeah, okay. Then tile width and tile height need to swap. Okay, then these now are just going to use tile width and tile height. Okay. Now I think the splitter should look correct. Even on rotate. Yeah, that feels better. Okay. Come on. Oh, it needs to be plus 64 now. Oh, fuck, dude. Yeah, I see what's going on. I fucking... Okay. Wait, no, why does it need to be plus 60? That doesn't make any sense. Shouldn't it be the same? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna make this plus 64 and run it, and then I'm gonna rotate it twice to see what happens, just to see if it feels better. So if I currently, it feels weird. Rotate it twice. Yeah, it feels perfect now. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Wait, but why? Why does it matter? Okay. Why does it matter? Why does it matter? It shouldn't matter. Hold on. Payload tile. Rotation. Oh, okay. That doesn't do anything. Alright. Fuck, dude. Okay. Do I want to do all of this garbage code where I like check the rotation and then check everything? I mean, I would rather have it that it would just work correctly. Like, I don't know why rotating it twice fucks with this minus or plus. It should be the same. Because if I rotate the tile, whether or not, like, if it rotates this way, it should be the exact same position, right? On my mouse. So I don't know why that is happening. I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no fucking clue, dude. This mouse pause is only used here. Oh, no, I do know why. Right, okay. It's because... Okay, yeah. Well, okay. Here, I guess I'll draw it out just to explain it. I'm sure fucking people understand what's going on. I'm just slow, but it's because this is 1, this is 2. Okay, when it's facing up, it's like this. And it's facing down. Which I could fix. I could fix it. Because the mouse is always on the right side, essentially, right? Oh, annoying. Getting the placement is this is actually way harder than I thought it would be. To be totally honest with you, this is like fucking way harder, man. Okay, here's what I think I just need to do. If this rotation in here, not mod 180 though. This is now mod what? So if I rotate it twice, I guess it just equals 180, right? Wait, hold on. No, if it's okay. Yeah. If it's 180, specifically if it's rotated twice, then I want to do plus and then else. And then I guess the same shit in here. So that's good. Rotate it once. That's good. Rotate it twice. Okay. Oh. Fuck. Wait, hold on. Okay, so this is 270. So this is... Oh, I guess actually this just should be 270. Because yeah, it's rotated twice on the y-axis. Okay. Let's try now. This feels good. Yeah, rotate again. This feels good. Okay, there we go. That wasn't actually that bad. I thought it was gonna be way worse. I don't know why, but not too bad. Okay, cool. So that works now. Now we need to fix everything else. Because currently, when you rotate the splitter, it doesn't rotate the right position. Even though it should. Yeah, I just did this here. Okay, let's see. So, the splitter is always the left one. The left splitter is the good one. The right splitter is the one that needs the position to be changed. Okay, so right.position.x plus negative dirvec.y times size right position.y plus negative x direction times size. Okay. What is this fucking math doing? So let's say that we're perfectly up, right? So we're up. We're up. Facing up. I want to get plus 90 or plus 1 in x. If we are sideways, I want to get minus 1 y. Okay. So let's just plug that in. Dirvec.y, if we're facing up, is 1. So I'm multiplying by I'm minusing? I don't know why it's negative. And then dirvec.x, if we're facing up, is 0. Okay. So then now if I'm facing right, dirvec is 1, 0 for x, y respectively. So position.x is staying the exact same. Position.y, let's just remove the negative sign and see what happens. I don't have high hopes for this to work, but you know. So let's see if I do this. Yeah, that still works. Yep. Okay. Then if I do this, that does not work anymore. But now what if I do this? Oh, well, hold on. What if I do this and then I do this? No, it's just totally broken. Wait, if I do this with the splitter, does it not work? Oh, it doesn't work? Okay, let's just test first all the directions. So this way, yeah, that's correct now. Then let's make a splitter go down. This, I think, would be the right one. Yep, okay. And then splitter going left. This one? Nope. This one. Okay. At least it matches the graphic now, right? It matches the sprite, which is good. Oh. How did that happen? How did that happen? I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna go pee. I'll be back. That's what I'm gonna go do. No, it is not intended to only accept input from one half. No, that's a problem. Which I do need to fix now, so... But yeah, at least this fixed itself in like 2 seconds. Oh my... Dude, there's like... I don't know if there's like dust on my mouse pad or something, but I can feel like... Like, you know how you can feel something on your mouse and it's like kind of like gritty? Like your mouse becomes all like gritty and shit. That's what's happening to me right now, and I think I should just get a new mouse, probably. This mouse is so old. Like, look at the thumb pad, dude. The thumb pad is completely fucking worn away. Like, all the glue on the bottom, keeping like the paper and the little pads, is like completely fucking falling apart. The real problem is that they don't have this specific mouse anymore. They have like the Razer like fucking Death Adder 9 or whatever the fuck. And I don't want the Death Adder 9. I want the 2. The 2 is so much better. Has 2 buttons. Has everything I want. The new ones, they all add new buttons, and I swear the build quality has gone down significantly. I mean, I can also just get a better mouse. You know, honestly, I'm surprised that there's not like, you know, there's like a huge mechanical keyboard community, right? I'm surprised that there's no like special mouse community. I mean, I guess there's like the trackball community. I don't think that matters. Like, there's no like custom mice builders. I guess because it probably doesn't matter that much in the map. But like most people say that about keyboards. Okay. What about a mechanical mouse? One that like you have to click down harder or some shit. I guess all mice are mechanical, huh? There's no membrane mouse, right? That feels so bad, dude. If your mouse was squishy, the buttons were squishy. Ugh. MetaPanda is good enough. What is MetaPanda? I'm MetaPanda. Okay, well, I googled MetaPanda and I got a. This the thing? Responsive stretching robotic pet. I don't think this is the one. I would be surprised if this is what you're talking about. Use a joystick. That's basically a trackball. Well, I guess not. Well, but joystick would be horrible. I think I should be a guy where I use a tablet. Like I have a tablet on the floor. Metafuni, MetaPanda, Metafuni, MetaPanda. This looks like a normal ass mouse to me. I don't know. I mean, actually, it looks identical to the mouse I'm using, the Razer Death Adder, but like instead of having it being $60, it's like $40. Dude, there's like, is there like dust in the fucking AC or some shit? Am I getting poisoned? Did Cappy come find me and pour anthrax to my fucking HVAC machine? I mean, honestly, for me, it's like if I save $30 on a fucking mouse that I used for 4 years every single day of my goddamn life, right? I don't really care. It's fine. Like, it's fine. Okay, let's fix the conveyor not moving. What do you call the item to the right conveyor? Right. Let's do that. So, why is it even here? The conveyor move equals left. If not side, then move equals right. Conveyor equals move, turn false. Where is this called? What are you, dude? Oh, I'm only checking left item entities. Oh. Okay, that would do it. That would indeed do it. Yeah. I mean, can I just copy paste this with right? Is that chill? I don't know. Fuck it. Just try it out, man. Fuck it, dude. Let's just try it out. Replace all of left with right. Okay, this one. This one. This one. This one. Here, here. Fuck it. See what happens? Fuck it, we ball. Okay, so put this shit down. Put a splitter. Not work. Man, why not, motherfucker? Reached middle is true. Has split is also true. Okay, hold on. What does move item do? So it takes a conveyor in and it takes an item entity in. Side equals not side, which is part of the splitter. Move equals left, not side equals right. Conveyor is move, false. Let's just So side is gonna equal false. Yep. Then move is left. Side, move is now right. Bear is move, we return false. Cool. And the next one got there. Side is true. So why is side true now? Oh, I see. Okay, hold on. Side is false. I just have to flip them, right? And now it'll surely work and be good. I think. So do this, do this, do this. H. Okay. Okay, hold on. The problem is that side needs to actually be equal to whatever is not there. So if the input is on the right, side needs to be equal to false. If the input is on the left, it needs to be equal to true. Yeah, okay. This is rough, dude. This is fucking rough, dude. Well, actually, no. Okay, hold on. So I don't know why this is not happening. Okay, we go. Because it should happen the first time. Oh no, I do see what's happening. Actually, that should be fine. Now that I think about it, this is actually fine. It doesn't matter if it splits left or right. First, it should be fine. So I think the splitter actually should be totally chill now, right? If I make my game again. Like split my shit. Split my shit. Nice. Yeah, okay, that's exactly what I want. Okay, now the question is, does it work sideways? or nah? Okay, and what about the other way? Maybe the code does work. Maybe I don't suck. maybe my game is gonna be real. Maybe all of what I just said is true. Look, I mean, that took 2 seconds. Actually fucking worked and fixed itself somehow, amazingly. Yeah, I mean, it looks a little weird for sure, but like the when it jitters at the end there, but that's fine. It's not noticeable by fucking any. Yeah, it seemingly just fucking works, dude. I need to fix the conveyor movement also, because that's still definitely bugged. Yeah, it's it's freaking out. It fixes itself eventually, but I'd rather have it like jump to the right positions and be right. Okay, cool. Splitter. Wow, okay, there's actually still more problems with the splitter. I'm pretty sure this still works, right? Let's check. This still work? If I split in from the side. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. I mean, I guess I could just have this be a feature, but I don't know if there's gonna be like, you know, I don't know if there's gonna be problems if I let this happen. Like, there are lots of unforeseen consequences if I let this be a thing in my game, right? Like a ton. So I don't know. I don't know if I want that for myself or not. Because, yeah, there's definitely going to be a lot of unforeseen consequences if I do something like that. But we can fix that later. It's not that late, and I haven't been streaming for that long, but I do think I'm going to end stream. I'm really tired today. I went to sleep at 2. I woke up at 7. I'm operating on 5 hours of sleep. I don't know what's going on with my sleep schedule, dude. I'm fucking dying. Okay, what do you want from me? Because we actually got, I mean, look, we actually got a decent amount of stuff to, like, stuff done today, right? Again, I think it's good. I get more stuff done when there's no one in my chat, dude. Until I got raided, but even then there was not that many people in my chat. So I think generally speaking, I do way more work when I don't get sidetracked, as it turns out. And yeah, we actually have good stuff. Okay, so next time for sure. Okay, goals today. I'm moving the turret up. Okay, this is what we're doing. This is the next thing we're working on. Okay, I'm gonna get the turret. I mean, this is gonna take 2 seconds, by the way. The turret's gonna take no time at all, because the turret is really just the commander, but he can't move. If I just copy paste the commander code over, but he can't walk, you know, that's the turret. It's done. In fact, so that'll take 2 seconds. And then we need to make like a bullet. I mean, we need to add some more stuff to the turret. It's not like, but the turret functionality will take 2 seconds. Then I want to add a bullet to the game, like a bullet, like an ammo. Like in Factorio, you got the ammo mags that are used up over time as the bullets or as the thing shoots. And then after that, I think next stream, okay, so I want to do turrets in combat, and then I want to do enemies actually spawning in and stuff, right? Because enemies don't spawn right. I mean, they do, but it's like weird, right? If we get these 2 things, then we can do like a longer play test kind of thing, right? Like I can like sit down and actually try shit out and then see how it breaks, right? So yeah, I want to do this, and then I guess if we have a lot of time and if I get this done fast, then research will come next. Like I have this my research screen. Right, it works kind of, but I think next stream then will be, or the next thing will be to implement research into the actual game. Although I'm still debating whether or not I want to actually have research. I don't know. I was thinking about it, and maybe I actually don't have research at all, and all you care about is, I mean, I want to have research in some way, shape, or form, but I don't know if I want to have research be like the same every game. I think what I might want to actually do is have, so Against the Storm is a game that I've looked at a lot in the past on the stream. In this game, send me pictures of their shit. No, okay. Well, so in this game, rather than having rather than having like research that you get red science, green science, and then get a new thing, what they have is they have like bounties that you complete. So like in my game, essentially what it would be like make 300 conveyors and deliver them to the Nexus, right? And then if you do that, then you unlock a random research, and that would be almost identical to what Against the Storm is like. Against the Storm, yeah, a quest to unlock something, pretty much, yeah. So like imagine you get a list of, or like rather than clicking the research that I want to do and then doing it, because I think that would be kind of lame, right? I mean, maybe I have something like that, but I'm leaning more and more away from it. In fact, I don't even know if I technically want like a skill tree, like a research tree in my game or not. Like I might not want a skill tree at all. And just have Against the Storm, because I really like the way that this game works. I think this game is really, really cool, because you get randomized like effects. Like basically, like, so I have this, I made my whole augment system, right? And the augment system is kind of similar to how this would work, I guess, where you would discover like a pick 3, like from Hearthstone, whatever card you would want. Like, so you get a new building or a new effect or whatever. And I could do something similar in my game, and then try, like, but that's just really like that's an actual design decision. I have no idea which one's better, right? I just have to play around with it and see how it works. Because the thing that I really want to avoid, like the biggest thing I want to avoid in my game is, first of all, the beginning onset of Factorio. I don't know how I'm gonna handle that still, like, because the beginning of Factorio is really fucking boring and slow, right? Obviously, it sucks. Like when you just have to like place down your coal snake and then have the burner miners be auto fed by hand. That shit sucks, right? I want to get rid of that as fast as possible. Like I want people to get through that as fast as possible. So I think I'm gonna have some sort of blueprint system where you can just spawn in with basic resources set up like already. Like after a certain point, right? After like your third run or whatever, you unlock automatic iron setup, and then when you spawn into the world, it'll auto generate your blueprint on top of the iron patch, right? Or whatever it is, right? And then maybe I could have it even where it's like you can pick. So like if I deliver X amount of whatever item I'm supposed to be making, then I can get, I can get either a new item or a buff or an effect or something. I don't know. We got to play around with it a lot, right? That's what's coming up, I think. But first we got to get this stuff done, right? Get this stuff done, and then we'll start working on maybe, again, I don't know if I want a skill tree. I do think I want some way to like kind of force what you want to do, because like if you don't want to play like the bot build or whatever and you just want to force conveyors every time, because that's what I'm gonna probably do, right? Then I want the player to be able to do that. Like I want the player to be able to, at least at the lower levels, like if it's not super duper hard, I want you to be able to force a specific like comp, if you want to call it that, right? I don't want you to have to play flex until you move up to higher difficulties, in which case then obviously you have to do something like that. But that maybe I'll just do that in the meta progression, because I guess no matter what, I want a research tree for meta progression. Like that's gonna just be Factorio straight up. I'm gonna just copy exactly how Factorio works for the meta progression. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. So that's what's coming up next. I think I'm gonna probably stream tomorrow, unless I wake up really late. Because I do be wanting to stream. Oh, I was gonna play guitar. Do I want to get copy striked? Is that what I want to do? Also, my hand. Actually, hold on. Let me see. Does my hand hurt? My wrist hurts. I hurt my wrist the other day. Can I play this game? Oh, I can. Wait, really? I'm actually surprised. I'm like genuinely surprised, dude. Yeah, I know, isn't it crazy? We're gonna gameplay again, which I think it's been legit 6 months since I worked on gameplay. Like, since I added a feature, like any item or tile or system, it's been a long ass time, dude. I don't think I can end my stream on YouTube only. I'm pretty sure I can't, which is annoying, dude. I think Omi showed me that I can start my stream only on Twitch, but I forget how I do that. I don't remember at all. There was a way, though. There was a way I could start my stream only on Twitch, which was cool. No, I'll just end my stream. It's fine. I'll just end my stream. Although I'd have to restart my stream if I mean, I guess I could just fucking, not like that hard, I guess. Okay, fuck it, dude. If I can figure out how to do it in 5 minutes, I'll restart my stream. But I gotta do my end stream just in case it doesn't work. My option select. Anyways, so thanks for watching the stream, gamers. I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, tomorrow planning on streaming game dev again, unless I wake up really late. Like I'm trying to get back in the groove of things, you know, of actually working on my shit, keeping my brain sharp enough. Oh, hopefully I wake up at a reasonable time, you know. Anyways, till next time, adios, goodbye.